Everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a brochure in Canva application. So first, you just have to sign up and log into your Canva account. As you can see here, there are tons of templates that you can use. If you go to Design Spotlight, you will see the following here, business. Also, when you go to education, okay, so there are tons of things that you can do here. Now, if you go to the Science Spotlight, then you have to look for brochures, and brochures is under this marketing section. So what you're going to do is to tap this one. Okay, so once you tap this, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, this is what it looks like. And if you scroll down, you will see here create a brochure, start designing, print your perfect brochure, and start inspired. So here you can see brochures for college. If you want to create a brochure for your assignment or project, something like that, or company, medical, photography, sales, spa, travel, wedding, and real estate. So everything is here, and all you have to do is to simply edit. Now, this time I wanted to create a brochure for my business, and it's like a spa, massage spa to be exact. So, all you have to do is to click from any of this here, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so there are two pages right here. So, Canva is pretty simple, especially if you have or if you upgraded to Pro. But actually, if you are not upgraded to Pro, it's okay. You can still edit same as the result as mine. So here, if you want to delete something, all you have to do is to tap and then click delete. And if you want to edit, you just have to double tap and then try to enter or type whatever it is. For example, this is the name of my spa, my spa massage. Okay, so this is the name of my business. For example, fairy tale, something like that. You can move this one, you can drag this anywhere here. Okay, and you can also change the format by tapping above here, edit format. So you can change the color. Okay, you can change the font size, font style. You could also add effects. You can animate. You can add position, change transparency. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay, and then everything is up to you. If you want to add something like the information about your spa or your massage spa or your business, you can add it right here. Okay, so here is like if you want to change the images. So the good thing about this Canva is that if you go to elements and then search for specific like spa or like massage spa or anything related to your business, and then you can see here graphics, photos, and videos related to that. For example, this one right here, if I tap photos, then all you have to do is to drag any of the photo here. For example, this one, tap the picture and then drag it to the blank page. Replace the picture that you want to be replaced. Okay, so for example, something like this. Okay, so as you can see, you can also change the picture by uploading one. But for this tutorial, you can see all of the pictures related to your business here, and all you have to do is to drag the picture to that picture that you want to replace. As easy as that. So as you can see, this is a very stunning result. For contact us, then you can delete an element here or a word here if you want. And the good thing is that if you want to add, for example, your social media, your business social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatsoever, and then you can add it right here. So I'm going to show you. For example, I'm going to move it and then I'm going to add my, let's just say, Instagram account. So the good thing also here is that you can simply search the icon of that social media. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to replace this with, let's just say, Instagram. So my business has Instagram account. Now, the next thing to do is go to Element and then search for Instagram. You can do this with the Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, everything is up to you. And then after that, press enter. And then you will see here icons, symbols, or anything related to Instagram. And what you're going to do is to simply drag that icon to the page and simply resize it. Okay, for example, this one right here, this is Instagram. You can change the color of this, don't worry. resize this. Okay, I want to resize this to like a very small icon. Okay, and then as we all know, Instagram is like red, something like that, or orange, something like that. So you can change the color of Instagram here, and then you can drag the icon anywhere. Same goes with Facebook, Twitter, or whatsoever. So all you have to do is to search that symbol here, and then resize, and that's it. Now, if you go to page 2 and do the same, it's pretty easy. You can delete anything here, unnecessary element or word, and then change it. Okay, so as you can see, I am on effects, and I want to add some effects on the title of my second brochure here. And all I have to do is to type effects, and you will see here outline, you will see here shadows, and so on. So again, if you want to replace a picture, you just have to search for something related to your company, related to your business. Let's just say if you want to add an element, so you can just simply search for that. So it's about stone. As we all know, this one is related to massage spa. So I can put it anywhere here. I can add this tone. You can also add something like a woman messaging or a grass or anything, candles. So all you have to do is to search. You can also change the background color. So everything is up to you. All you have to do is to tap the page and then go to colors and it will change. Something like that. So, okay, again, if you want to replace, just search something. I want to replace the pictures here because it's like, it's kind of, far from my business or spa business. So let me change it by dragging the picture to anywhere or to replace that picture here. Okay, so that's it. I think it's pretty easy. So you just have to simply go to elements and then search for something. You can also add a video here if you want. So if you want to replace this picture, uh, and then convert this to video, then it's pretty fine. So all you have to do is to search that to element and then replace that. Okay, so I think this is just the basic tutorial on how to create a brochure. If you want to change or if you want to look other brochures again, you can go back to Canva homepage and then look for something. Okay, so this is the result. And then if you want to change the color of the font, you just have to tap and then go to colors. For example, this one right here, I changed the black to white. And then you can also change the element, but it depends on the element. You can change the color of the element or object that you have added, but it depends on the object that you have added. So as you can see, and last thing is I'm going to add my, for example, my Facebook account. So I'm going to search for Facebook and then tap and look for that icon or symbol of Facebook. Example, this one right here, resize this, put it right here. And then TikTok, put it right here, resize, put it right here. You can also look for Snapchat, WhatsApp, Telegram. So if you have or if your business has this social media accounts, then all you have to do is to search them and then look for that icon and then drag that icon right here. And everything is up to you how to, manage or how to put it in a very nice way. As easy as that. So, yes, I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.